Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening another Mini Brands Create from MasterChef. Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see what is inside. Did this one not come with the chef hat? That's weird, because the last one it had a chef hat in the tissue paper. Interesting. This is only my second one that I'm opening. We did get some strawberries and some whipped cream. Also got more strawberries. There's like little tiny pieces chopped up and then halved. And then we have the tongs and the little tray. This decorative little plate. Can you see the detailing on there? That's pretty cool. What else? Oh, the instructions. This I think is kind of like a waste of materials, I guess, with that plastic, or the cardboard rather. This is the strawberry cake. Oh, that's cool. They're very detailed with the step-by-step. Hopefully I have enough whipped cream to make it look all fancy-like. But yeah, that's cool. And then the cake should be in here. We also have a fork, serving knife, or serving thing. Little tiny plate, that's cute. And then the sponge cake base. Okay, so I have everything open. Here's what the sponge cake looks like. That's cute. So we're gonna put one on here. And then we're going to add some of the whipped cream and then spread that out pretty evenly. And then put some strawberries down. Oh yeah, that looks really thick. So, I guess we don't need much at the bottom. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. I love the nozzle. I just wanted to see how it would pour, but let's use the tongs to spread it maybe. Actually, I don't even want to put it on a plate right now. I think it's easier just to put it on the table. But here we go. It's thick but easy to spread, but I like that it's holding shape pretty well. I'm going to bring it all the way to the edge. But it doesn't have to be too perfect because we're putting strawberries on top of it, so you won't even get to really see how it was spread. Try to make it even. I think that looks pretty good. It has like a slight smell to it, but it more so kind of reminds me of like Elmer's glue. So it's not too off-putting. So these ones are the ones that are cut in half, although they look really flat here. But these, yeah, these are the right ones. So, in the previous one, it told you exactly how many you needed. This one it doesn't. I guess you could count it if you wanted to. Looking at the instructions, it looks like there's about 8. Whoops. Which leaves us with 2 extras, and the only other one I did, they did not leave you with any extras, so maybe they will, maybe they won't. I hate using the tongs. I need to get the those nice ones some people have. They're like metal, they're almost like tweezers, but they're really long. That's what I need. So that was 8. I couldn't put the other ones in there if I tried, I don't think. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna gently press them down just a tad. Cute. Now it says to put that dollop in the middle. Not sure how much to use. It looks kind of tall, but We also need some leftover for the top too, so I don't want to use too much. At least we don't have to do the sides though, because that would be a nightmare. Like that maybe? That's cute. Try to make sure it's even and not lopsided. Okay, at this point it says to ice the top, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and cure it because it'll be easier to handle, and it's gonna be hard to cure it when you need to come into the side. I won't be able to hold it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to finish the top. There's a few interesting things I noticed. It didn't come with the chef hat, as we know, and I think that's because it doesn't need UV to cure, which is odd. But on the instructions, it just says wait, what does it say? Wait 20 minutes. That's it. Doesn't show the symbol for like UV or sunlight. So because it's thick like that and it kind of smells like glue, I wonder if it's kind of like some hybrid resin glue thing that just dries on its own. I'm not sure. It is kind of sunny today, so I think I'll just set mine outside. I tried using the UV flashlight on it. I mean, it kind of worked, but it's also still like not dry, fully dry. So basically, it's interesting. So we're just gonna put this on. I think that looks pretty good. Then we need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little dollops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then one in the middle. I'm not sure that that was like the best work, but we're gonna set these on top. And then we're gonna sprinkle the chopped pieces around it as well. And then because I put on this little table, oh no! Because I put it on this table, I'm just gonna like set it outside. And we will have, what, 1 strawberry left over? So they did give us leftovers this time. So I find that interesting. Last time we had like exactly enough, and this time we have extras. Kind of interesting. I like these little chopped pieces. They're almost like sprinkles in a way. I'm trying to throw them at an angle so they're in the empty spots. Maybe give them a little tap so that they're secure. I think that turned out better than I anticipated. So let me go set it outside for 20 minutes. I'll be back to show you the final product. Okay, it said to cure this for 20 minutes just to let it sit. No UV, though I did use UV on it. I don't think I care for these. They're still real spongy, and maybe it's supposed to be like that, but it is definitely still wet in areas, so I would let it sit overnight just to play it safe. But yeah, I feel like if I wanted to just be a little aggressive with it, they would all come off. So it's not as secure and hard as the other resin ones, because I think it's like a mix of some kind of glue, but I do think it turned out pretty good. Yep, see, it just shifted. I could like still rearrange it even though it's been at least 30 minutes, probably more, probably closer to 40. But anyways, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think and which one you want to see next, because I have many, many more. Bye, guys.